Hey, Jahng here from Church Butler, and today I was reviewing the calendar, and there's one specific strategy that I wanted to share with you that you must complete and get it right in March of this year. If you don't get it right by March of this year, then Easter is gone to waste. So what am I talking about? Well, as you know, at Church Butler, we've got this end-to-end system for digital marketing success, and we've got 3 pillars of that system. You want to be able to target your people, you want to be able to attract your people, and you want to be able to engage your people. Now, in the target pillar, we've got 3 strategies. One of them is called fill your funnels. You want to set almost like a honey trap. You want to set up your content in a way that when people encounter it, they lean forward and they're ready to engage. You want to get them to lean forward because you're giving them what they need. One of the specific tactics in our fill your funnel strategies is to offer paparazzi previews on your social media and on your website. What do we mean by that? If you think about the paparazzi, what do you think about paparazzi? Paparazzi are taking photos from every single angle, and they leave no stone unturned. They leave nothing to imagination. And while you don't want to be as invasive or as aggressive as paparazzi, what you want to do is take that same concept of leaving no stone unturned and using that to your benefit so that you give your prospective visitors to your church a preview to their experience so they know exactly what's going to happen, exactly what they're going to encounter, and that's going to lead them to an easier decision to actually visit your church on April 1st, which is Easter this year. Now, what do I mean by that? We're talking about adding videos and adding photos to your social media content that you're putting out there, as well as your website pages, so that there's no black hole. People are going to be searching right on your phone or on the websites. They're going to Google Easter services Sunday, April 1st, or Easter services in your city name, etc. Hopefully you'll rank well. That's another strategy we'll talk about. But hopefully you'll rank well. They'll come to your page, and then what? This is where it's critical that you have 8 seconds, 10 seconds to engage them further, and then after that, make the case for them to make a decision to actually visit your church or not. Paparazzi previews are critical. This is where in your kids' ministry pages, you want to fill it up with photos and videos, not of stock photography, of your actual location, of your classrooms, of the kids' areas. Are they brightly lit? Are they safe? Are there a lot of other kids in there? Is it a happy, fun, dynamic place? Or is it a dreary, dark, like basement or closet feeling that they might have? You want to offer paparazzi previews, otherwise you're leaving it up to their imagination, and I guarantee you their imagination is filled with things from the baggage that they're carrying with their impressions of churches that they've dealt with or experienced in the past. Let's not give in to that. Your church, your sanctuary, your main sanctuary, is it bright? Is it spacious? Is it packed? Is it modern? Is it clean? Are there people smiling in your photos? Those are the types of questions that people, what are people wearing, especially for Easter Sunday? You want to articulate that on your Easter invitation pages on your website, as well as in your social media, so that people feel that much more comfortable making the decision to visit your church on April 1st. So this is your homework. We're in February. You've got all of February and into March to get the paparazzi previews installed across all of your website pages and starting to make some of that content for your social media channels so that you leave no stone unturned, giving everybody a paparazzi preview of the wonderful and dynamic experience that they're going to encounter on Easter. There you go. That's our tip from our 9 digital strategies essential for digital marketing success. Please give me some feedback. If you have an example of a page that you're putting together, leave it in the comments below with the URL. We can critique it. We can go back and forth with suggestions. And we can share what's working with our pages with other people in our community. I invite you to get further involved. If you want to come on and talk about what you're doing in particular, I'd love to have you as an interview guest here as well. So Jahng here with Church Butler, reminding you to install your paparazzi previews so that you can fill your funnels as you target, attract, and engage those first-time visitors for your church this Easter.